Ready for another new home tour? This one is a smaller model. This is the smallest of the three I've walked today. So this home is just over 1,800 square feet. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a den. I love the layout. It's open, it's bright. Let's check it out. So what do you think of that home? Well, I think it's really cute. And it's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a den, and 3-car garage. That is really everything you need. And it has so much storage space. That huge laundry room, I absolutely love it. And the starting price on this home is just $521,900. Now, this builder has great incentives. If you like it, contact me. Let's get you in.